More Americans voted this year than have ever voted in the history of the United States of America. In America, the United States of America. In the history of America. The Vice President-elect Harris and I, excuse me, the results. And yet, lost the Electoral College, and I'm convinced we can work together for the good of the nation. You know, in this battle for the soul of America, faith in our institutions held, and now it's time to heal. Getting this pandemic under control and getting the nation vaccinated, in doing so, has always set the example for the world. And weighed down by the worry of what tomorrow will bring for you